So my husband was driving down the street and found a seagull with fishing line wrapped all around him. So he brought him back to the house and he's cutting off all the fishing line right now. This little guy is upset, but letting us do it. He couldn't even walk. He's got it on his tail, he's got it on his feet. So he's cutting it off with nail clippers. He's free. How about his feet?
All wrapped around his legs.
Yep, it's all wrapped around his legs, and it was around his beak and his tongue. He's just laying there letting us take care of him. He felt so vulnerable. Yes, buddy. So, see if I can get a good view on how careful he has to do that. And he is free. Let's see if he can fly away. You want to see if he can fly away?
Put him in the pond.
You're going to take him over to the pond?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, nothing around his wings? Oh, yes. You're not too happy now. Is that the way you think us, huh? All right, we're going to release him at the pond. Okay. He's biting him all the way to the pond. Okay, buddy. Can you fly now? We'll see if he can fly. What do you think, huh? We don't know how long he had been like that, but we did give him some food and just gave him some time in the pond. Is he gonna make it? Sad to say, he climbed up on shore and died a few hours later.